Hello all, welcome to WB Institution, an online education app. So in this video today we are going to see about SSC JEE Electrical strategy to crack the exam. So a notification has announced that SSC JEE exam going to be held on 27th October to 30th October. So the April and March exam is postponed to that time. So in this video I am going to explain you how to crack the exam in a more easier way. So far we have 60 days left for the examination. So we know that Tier 1 comprises of 3 sections. First is general awareness, which comprises of 50 marks, general intelligence and reasoning 50 marks, and general engineering, which is an electrical paper. So totally you will be having 200 marks, it is going to be come for 2 hours. So we are going to write the exam for in 2 hours. It's completely an CBT. Okay, so negative marking for this paper is 1/4 of the question, which is 0.25. okay, this is the cutoff mark for the Tier 1. So unreserved you have to score 135, for OBC 132 and SC ST 120. So coming for the topic general awareness. So what are topics comes under in general awareness? So general awareness is nothing but current affairs, history, geography, economics. So what we have learned in the news, that's what comes in the general awareness. So coming for general intelligence and reasoning, it is nothing but it's used to check our ability to solve the reasoning. For example, cutting the paper, analytical reasonings, and coding and decoding, analogies like that. And general engineering, which has full technical paper, comprises of 100 marks. So coming for general awareness, you need not to give full focus on general awareness. Instead of that, give full focus on general intelligence and reasoning. Okay, score just about 20 plus or 30 plus alone in general awareness. So in general intelligence and reasoning, so far in the previous paper you can score up to 45 plus. It's a very easy topic to score 45 plus marks. Okay, so general engineering, if you concentrate more, you can score above 60 plus. Okay, so coming for the topics alone, see, this is your general intelligence and reasoning, and this is general awareness. So this is the weightage of marks I have given here. So what are the topics comes under the general intelligence? Just check. Number and alphabetical series. So 15 to 18 questions will alone come from this number and alphabetical series. So number and alphabetical series in the sense, you will be having a sequence of numbers or sequence of alphabet. One alphabet will be missing out. You need to find based on the sequence. Okay. Then coming for coding and decoding, a certain code will be given to a number or any alphabet. Heart is coded as 1, 2, 3. Then how sun is coded as. So based on the sequence, you need to find the answer. And odd man out is nothing but that similar to number and alphabetical series. Okay, one number or one alphabet will be missed from the sequence. Based on the function, you need to calculate that. Then coming for images, as I said earlier, so images is nothing but mirror image. You need to find the copy of the exact image when it placed within the mirror, or cutting the image. One image will be cutted and you have to select the correct options given in the questions. Okay, then direction test, you need to check directions. Okay, then blood relation, as we know what will comes to the blood relation, and Dyson Venn diagram. So far this is the syllabus for your general intelligence and reasoning. You can score up to 45 plus in this section alone. Okay, so 50 marks, 50 questions you will be having, and this is the weightage of the question comes from the each topic. Okay, very easiest topic to score. And you can focus more than this compared to general awareness. You can give more focus to general intelligence and reasoning. Okay, so very easiest topic. Then coming for the general awareness. So general awareness, you will be having science, polity, economy, history, geography, current affairs, and static GK. Okay, so science comprises of biology in the sense botany plus zoology, chemistry and physics. So you will be having 13 to 15 questions. So from 8 questions from bio, chemistry 4, physics 5. Okay, so for polity it's 5 to 6, economy 7 to 8, history 4 to modern, medieval and ancient, so 7 to 8 totally. Geography 5 to 6, current affairs. So current affairs in the sense a daily news. So while reading the newspaper itself, you can get the data from the current affairs. And static GK, so what are the awards are recently announced, what is the inventions they have recently announced, sports regarding etc. Okay, so general awareness you can score up to 30 plus. Okay, while doing this electrical or general intelligence, just give some small focus to this alone. Okay, you can score up to 20 plus or 30 plus. Give more focus to this general intelligence and your engineering paper. General intelligence very easy to score. You can score up to 30 plus or 45 plus. In electrical, if you focus more, if you have a perfect study plan, you can score up to 60 plus marks. Okay, so based on that you can score very easily. So coming for the history and polity, so just give more focus on India. Now comparing to world, for example taking a geography, so coming just give more importance to Indian demography comparing to the world demography. Same for history also, just give more importance to Indian history than world history. Okay, so this is for general awareness and general intelligence. Next we will see for electrical. Okay, now the next section is electrical, your technical paper. List of the topics is here and weightage of questions. So from basic concept we will be having 10 to 12 questions. So this section comprises of 100 questions of 100 marks. So magnetic circuits 8 to 10, AC fundamentals up to 7 to 8, so DC machines 4 to 6, and this is your overall topic for your technical questions. So in this technical questions, instead of giving more importance to numerical topic, better to attend the theoretical, so that based on your time constraint you can attend more questions very easily. You can score more than 70 plus. Okay, synchronous machine you will be having 4 to 6 questions, and estimating and costing 6 to 8. Basic electronics, just of semiconductor devices, PN junctions, diode, like that you will be having 12 to 15 questions. So prepare a study plan of 60 days plan. Okay, so revise the books thoroughly. So get to previous year questions papers, based on that questions papers only you will be having 50% of questions. Okay, try to solve more numerical problems. Okay, thank you.